Cancer. The very word sends shivers down our spines. It's a disease that has touched the lives of countless individuals and families around the globe. The statistics are alarming, with cancer rates steadily on the rise. But amidst this fear and uncertainty, there's a glimmer of hope: our diet. We often underestimate the power of the food we consume. It's not just about satisfying hunger, it's about nourishing our bodies at a cellular level. What we put on our plates can either fuel disease or fight it. And when it comes to cancer prevention, certain foods stand out as true heroes. Berries, those small but mighty fruits, are packed with an arsenal of cancer-fighting compounds. From the vibrant red of strawberries to the deep purple of blueberries, each berry variety brings its own unique set of benefits to the table. Let's delve into the world of these nutritional powerhouses. Anthocyanins are the pigments that give berries their vibrant colors, from the deep blue of blueberries to the rich red of strawberries. These colors are not just visually appealing, but also signify the presence of powerful compounds. But these pigments are more than just a feast for the eyes. They are nature's way of packing a punch in a small package. They have potent antioxidant properties, which means they can neutralize harmful free radicals in our bodies. Antioxidants are crucial in maintaining our health by protecting our cells from damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage our cells and contribute to the development of cancer. These molecules are produced naturally in our bodies during processes like metabolism, but they can also come from external sources such as pollution, radiation, and cigarette smoke. By neutralizing these harmful agents, anthocyanins act as our body's tiny warriors, fighting cancer at its root. They help to prevent the chain reactions that free radicals can cause, which can lead to cellular damage and the onset of various diseases, including cancer. Incorporating a variety of berries into your diet can be a delicious and effective way to boost your intake of these powerful antioxidants. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are all excellent sources of anthocyanins. Nutritionists recommend consuming a diverse range of fruits and vegetables to ensure you get a broad spectrum of nutrients. Berries, with their high anthocyanin content, are particularly beneficial. You can enjoy berries in many forms: fresh, frozen, or dried. They can be added to smoothies, salads, desserts, or simply eaten on their own as a healthy snack. Ongoing research continues to uncover the myriad health benefits of anthocyanins and other antioxidants found in berries. Scientists are exploring their potential in preventing not just cancer, but also heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic conditions. So next time you see a bowl of vibrant berries, remember that they are more than just a treat for your taste buds. They are a powerful ally in your fight against disease, harnessing the natural power of anthocyanins to keep you healthy and strong. Embrace the colorful bounty of nature's paint palette, and let these tiny warriors work their magic in your body. Whether you're enjoying them in a pie, a smoothie, or straight from the bush, berries are a delicious way to support your health. Nature has provided us with these vibrant fruits not just for their beauty, but for their incredible health benefits. So, indulge in the natural goodness of berries and let their anthocyanins be your body's defenders. Section 5. Ellagic acid, a berry's secret weapon against tumors. Ellagic acid is another powerful compound found abundantly in berries, especially raspberries and strawberries. This natural compound has been shown to have remarkable anti-cancer properties. It works by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and even inducing apoptosis, which is essentially programmed cell death for cancerous cells. Imagine ellagic acid as a smart bomb, targeting and destroying cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed. Section 6. Fiber Power Cleaning House, preventing cancer. Fiber is often overlooked, but it plays a crucial role in our overall health, including cancer prevention. Many people don't realize that fiber is not just about keeping our digestive system regular. It has a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond that. For instance, fiber helps to regulate blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, and even aid in weight management. But one of the most significant benefits of fiber is its ability to help prevent cancer. Berries are a good source of dietary fiber, which acts like a broom in our digestive system, sweeping away toxins and waste products. This is particularly important because our digestive system is constantly exposed to various harmful substances, from the food we eat to the environment we live in. By consuming fiber-rich foods like berries, we can help our bodies to efficiently remove these toxins. This sweeping action of fiber ensures that our digestive tract remains clean and healthy. This cleansing action is important because the longer these harmful substances stay in our bodies, the more opportunity they have to damage our cells and potentially lead to cancer. Fiber helps to speed up the passage of food through the digestive system, reducing the time that harmful substances are in contact with the lining of the intestines. This is crucial in preventing the development of cancerous cells. Additionally, fiber can bind to potential carcinogens and help to remove them from the body before they can cause harm. So, by incorporating more fiber into our diets, we are not only supporting our digestive health, but also taking a proactive step in cancer prevention. Remember, a diet rich in fiber is a simple yet powerful way to protect your health. Section 7. Vitamin C, more than just a cold fighter. We all know vitamin C as an immune booster, but its benefits go far beyond fighting off the common cold. This essential vitamin is a powerful antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Berries, especially strawberries, are loaded with vitamin C, providing our bodies with an extra layer of defense against cancer. Section 8. Scientific proof berries in the spotlight. The cancer-fighting properties of berries are not just folklore, they're backed by solid scientific evidence. Numerous studies have linked berry consumption to a reduced risk of various cancers, including colon, breast, and esophageal cancer. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that ellagic acid, found abundantly in berries, was effective in inhibiting the growth of human breast cancer cells. Section 9. Adding berries to your diet. Easy and delicious. Incorporating berries into your daily diet is easier than you might think. They're delicious and versatile, making them a perfect addition to breakfast, snacks, or desserts. Add them to your morning oatmeal or yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a refreshing snack. Section 10. A berry a day. Your step towards a healthier future. The evidence is clear. Berries are not just delicious treats. They're potent weapons in the fight against cancer. These small, vibrant fruits are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, all of which contribute to their powerful health benefits. Studies have shown that the compounds found in berries can help reduce inflammation, protect cells from damage, and even inhibit the growth of cancer cells. By incorporating these nutritional powerhouses into our daily diets, we can take proactive steps towards a healthier future. Imagine starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Not only does it add a burst of flavor and color to your meal, but it also provides a significant boost to your overall health. Berries are versatile and can be easily added to smoothies, salads, desserts, or simply enjoyed on their own as a refreshing snack. So, next time you're looking for a snack, reach for a handful of berries and savor the knowledge that you're not just satisfying your taste buds, but also nourishing your body with cancer, fighting goodness. Remember, every small step counts when it comes to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. By making berries a regular part of your diet, you're investing in your long-term well-being. Whether you prefer them fresh, frozen, or dried, the benefits remain the same. So go ahead, indulge in nature's candy and take a delicious step towards a healthier future.